All right, welcome to another edition of Just Smell So Good Nation.
Hey, what's up?
This Grant, and I'm going to shoot a new video, and I always try to give you an insight how you create the best incense. This particular one is Bob Marley, awesome flavor. So let's get to work. Now, please don't forget to subscribe, make a comment, share this information with all your friends and family, because you know they need it. Check down the playlist of everything down the playlist and see what's going on. And, subscribe to the channel, do all the stuff that down the playlist. And plus, don't forget to start a business today, any kind of business that start your generation of wealth. Down below it's going to say, I got a video saying why you should take vitamins, books that you should buy, and several different other things. And if you want to know the manufacturer of these companies to start a lucrative cash flow fragrance business, look down below. Better than. Now, this is Bob Marley. Now, I'm putting this oil the same exact way. If you watch how you create fragrances, baby powder fragrance, the best baby powder fragrance, you'll see what I have to offer. Here we go. We're going to turn around. Oh, here we go. Put a little bit of oil. Put it on here. You saturate it. Like I said before, we can sell each one of these for $1 a piece. And me, I prefer you not to say Bob Marley. Because Bob Marley is a trademark item of the Bob. So I'm going to say Bob. And you can say Marley, okay? I say Bob, and you say Marley. Because here's why. You don't want to mess with nobody trademark. And YouTube will hit you with a trademark infringement. Now, these is light, airy, spicy, almost like grass-like. Smell like grass. Not marijuana, but grass-like. And they should last a long time. Now, I put plenty of oil. And that's why when I put plenty of oil, I can sell these for $1 a piece. Now, it's 26 to 30 sticks. 26 to 36 in each bundle. Now, $1 a piece, you're making $26. And you use this amount of oil here to place on them. Now, mind you, let me go ahead and mind you that incense sticks are very profitable. But you cannot buy bulk of incense. You can't buy bulk of lotion. You cannot buy bulk of anything unless you know the manufacturer. Manufacturers help you make a lot of money. You can go to third-party situations. You can go there. Yeah, you're going to make some money. But you will never make a lot of money to invest in other business opportunities that's going to leverage you up, right? See that? That's a dry spot. And I'm going to use some of the residual of this on something else. And you never make the bulk of your money that way. Me, I use oil like it doesn't matter. I put the whole thing in if I have to. But I get the cost so low, and I mix the ingredients with the DPG oil. It's an opportunity here to make more money, and then have repeat customers. Now, again, I'm gonna tell you not to say this is Bob Marley. Say Bob. Hey, I'm gonna say Bob. You say Marley. Okay? I say Bob. You say what? Marley. So we'll understand that this is Bob Marley. And these two bundles will make me $56 to $60. Hold up, let me show you something now. I'm gonna show you something. I'll be right back. I got this covered up. So, got this covered up for a minute so I can get a pan. Man, everything. And why I do this outside, not in the office, not in a secure, like inside, because let's face it, oils are very, very, very potent. You know what I mean, it's got a lot of smell. If you can smell the aroma coming here, you need to be outside. You surely do. Hold up. All right, I'm back. So what I'm doing is I bring another stick. I'm gonna place this over here, right? I'm gonna let some of that oil drain off. Then I'm gonna put this on the additional sticks, all right? I want y'all to learn. I want y'all to create money. This is creating money. And when you buy and invest in yourself, you learn how to create money. You learn how to create money. You don't waste around and wait for somebody to give you a dollar. You learn how to take your dollars to create more money. Now that just fell around right here. Now I'm gonna have to add some more to this, but I'm gonna put this on top of this, right? Like that. Like this on top of that. I'm gonna let it smother. I'm gonna let it smother outside in the area here. And I'm putting more oil on it. I'm just putting more oil on it. All the drizzling, it's gonna fall between the other sticks, so forth. And use some pans, man. Use get you some big pans and start making your own incense stick. It could be Bob. I say Bob. You say Marley. It could be anything that you want to create for your clients. And you can do it in a smaller batches so you can create more money. Welcome to the Just Smell So Good Nation. Please subscribe, make a comment, share this information to all your friends and family because you know they need it, man. And also, if you want to know who the manufacturers are in the fragrance game, in everything, to create generational wealth for yourself and your family, please subscribe, make a comment, share this information. But the amount of the cost will be more like $225 right now. I went up. Here's why. I want you to take serious about your business. I really want you to create the money that God wants you to have and desire. And don't discount yourself. Because when you get that opportunity, you're going to go crazy. Then you have me as your mentor. I'm going to help you get the money. Help you get the money. You can get to talk to me for 30 days. You can call me. I'm going to text you back. I'm going to tell you how I'm making money, what we're using, what products we're using, how to connect, so forth. And maybe you have something in mind that you want to do as another additional income. Perhaps. All right, welcome to the Just Smell So Good Nation.